Yeah, what up, and welcome to Dreccan. And here you can see the previous code that I made in the last video. And in this video, I'm gonna add over this heart. I will add a text that says likes or whatever. And every time you press the when you press the heart, it increases, and then when you press it again, it decreases. So start by adding a let. I'm gonna like amount equals to 0, and then in this container need p, that's likes, for example, and it needs a class likes add position absolute, and then it will become in the middle, top 20 pixels, 200 pixels, 400 pixels, yeah, something like that. This will be a very simple like thingy, likes, we can call it like. We gotta change the position from the left, like 100 pixels or 300 pixels, 350, 30, yeah, something like, we can just have it in the middle. And this, we gotta copy that, and it's named, so we're gonna do var likes equal document dot get element by id, and we named it like. If I add this, and then here we add likes. Does this work? This we can type like. No, it's actually working. So this part we can call var equal likes equal, then we can equal that, and then we can do likes equal, no, I mean this should be there. Yeah, now it's working. And then the like amount plus like amount, so 0 likes. This should be added here. It's always like, and so here we go, plus equals 1. When I press this, every time it becomes red, it will increase the likes, but we don't want the likes to increase like forever, so we'll only add once. Otherwise here we will decrease the like amount by 1, so it becomes 1, then when I press it, it decreases by 1. But why isn't that working? We can put like equals 0. But why isn't that working? Wait, we're gonna like amount weekly like equals like amount plus 1, and then in here we can do minus 1. It's not working for some reason. Oh damn, we need that here also. Oh, it's working. but then we can remove this, I think. Equals to 1. Here plus equals to 1. Yeah, that's pretty much, this is pretty much the JavaScript, where this is a simple like button, and when you press it, likes goes up. Then when you press it again, it goes down. And the only thing we added was this class for likes to position this span element just like this. Wait, what happens if I do this? And it becomes, what? That doesn't work. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and also check out this video here where I went into more where I made the code for this button, start button. So you will know how to make the heart button, because the only thing I added in this video was this likes and this span and these two elements, or these two variables, and this. Wait, can't I? Nah. And that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching, and check out these two videos. One is about the animation, and the one is about the button tutorial. So yeah, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.